Nightingale, nightingale, nightingale song.
I bring a message from a nightingale.
Nightingale.
You no bow. Emperor and American lady, no see eye to eye.
But, Emperor, sometimes a different outlook can change your point of view.
What?
Precisely. What is it about the Asians that fascinates Caucasians? What is it about the Asians that's so nice? Is it the wontons, the egg rolls, the rice? Perhaps it's Buddha or Confucius and their excellent advice.
What is it about Caucasians that mystifies we Asians? What is it about Caucasians that's so odd? They call a pretty lady abroad. They have hair upon their chest and they only have one god. Impossible!
Emperor, you're so light on your feet. The people of the world are varied, but differences are in the plan.
The only difference I can see that means anything to me is the one between a lady and a man.
Don't you mean lady?
Lady.
Precisely. What is it about the Asians?
What is it about Caucasians?
What makes them so astounding?
What makes them so confounding? It's you!